Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Wear heat-resistant gloves and face shield before approaching the machine. Check that your work area is clear of flammable items and trip hazards. Confirm crucible capacity of 2 kilograms and furnace temperature limit of 1,200 degrees C before loading material. Preheat molds to 200 degrees C to remove moisture and reduce porosity in the casting. Verify ventilation and exhaust flow to prevent fumes from accumulating near your workspace. Keep a digital thermometer and heat-resistant tongs ready on the bench near the machine. Load metal chips totaling 5 to 2, 0 kilograms for each melt cycle into the crucible. Start heating using the specified power setting and monitor rise with a digital thermometer. Heat until molten temperature reaches 660 degrees C for aluminum alloys before preparing to pour. Skim off flux and dross with a stainless ladle to keep contamination out of the mold. Position the mold clamp and start a steady pour within 10 to 20 seconds once metal is homogeneous. Maintain a controlled arc and do not splash while transferring the melt. Allow casting to cool inside the mold for 20 to 30 minutes before demolding. Open the mold carefully using clamp release handles while still wearing protection. Use a hammer and small chisel to remove gates and risers after demold to reveal the casting. Inspect the part for shrinkage and porosity and mark areas needing repair or sanding. Grind rough edges with a 120 grit disc, then finish with 220 grit for a smooth surface. Clean the casting with a wire brush and store parts in a labeled bin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.